Dinang ya balay. They get already the food. And this is the house of them. And then, just because it's very long and high, so I cannot go up.
What you in the house?
Then, okay naman ang imo balay. Ay, kuhaan yung bugas kay basi ma. Diri ni sila. All of them is living here for 6 years, still living here. So,
Yung ako mautubang ko sa karon.
tapos, kay sino niya balayo? Ay, basi kagat mo ko, basi kagat mo ko. Kay sino na balay? Imo na. Tapos, tinang asawa mo. Ay, lako kaga pangaon tawo, Na ano man nga. Oy, tingkaon ta ka mo wala.
Wala.
Ay, wala. Very good. Good. So now, the children is little. I cannot teaching. Yes, I cannot teaching Sunday school because unlimited time. So, thank you very much and God bless you all. God bless you. Bye-bye. Wala man ni sila.
You want to come in?
Pastor lang, okay lang. Pastor, dasigon ko lang. Ha? May ano?
Oh.
May, hindi kita magpakita nga may ilim nun, kaya hindi na pwede. Diri lang kami, it's okay. This is the place.
Yeah.
It's very, no, we cannot going up. We cannot going up there. Sige, bye-bye. God bless sa inyo tanan.
God bless.
Ha? May kape to. May kape ko nga ginatag sa inyo.
They won't be staying.
Yeah,
Va?
yeah.
Sorry for that.
They are, before we donated
You can say that you
toilet.
must go back with the car. You can say that
Yeah.
to them.
We have no time because only borrow this service. Picture. Oh, sige, dalian nyo na. Dalian nyo na kay ngamon nga. Sige, God bless you.